Hello everyone, it's Keisha. Welcome back. So today we're going to see who will be receiving this journal, and I have a stack of things that will go with it, and I'm not going to show you, so it will be a surprise. And I have the names. I thought I put it in a glass jar so that you can see. And I'm looking at the screen, and okay, so I will look away, close my eyes, and pick one. Yeah, do I have one? I have one. Let me see who is the winner. The winner is Samantha. Congratulations, Samantha, on winning this journal. And if you could contact me via email, which will be below the video, and then we'll get your address, and then we'll send this up to you. Thank you all very much for participating, and yeah, Samantha is the winner. Thank you all very much for watching, and until next time. Bye.